9 pounds, 10 right there. Gonna blow her up, see what she's like. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah!
Coat up here on the wreckage. You can see there's quite a lot of spillage. Remember, this was 9 pounds of tannerite, a refrigerator inside a roof. Blew all the front panels off.
Pretty much annihilated the fridge.
Scattered about, whatnot.
Big hole in the roof missing there. That's...
Quite a lot of the roof is missing, actually.
Yeah, there's some debris in the branches there.
See, here's what's left of the refrigerator.
She looks a little different now. Found the door. She's in rough shape.
Yeah. What do you think, Dr. Braden?
Well, Dr. Tanner, I say we succeeded in blowing stuff up.
See, some shrapnel flew through the back, and the shadow there. Well, Dr. Braden, how many Michael Bays would you give that?
Probably give that about 8.5 Michael Bays.
8.5. That's, you got it here. 8.5 out of 10. Michael Bays. All right. Thank you.